This 2018 Mazda Mazda 3 4-door is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Mazda is powered by C.D.J.R, your front-wheel drive, manual transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.47 L152 engine, and has 91,666 miles. Drive in style 2018 Mazda 3 4-door. Reliability, comfort, and unbeatable value await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.